Hello, friends. It's Phil, and today's podcast is going to be, I think it's going to be quite short because I haven't got an awful lot to say today, except to basically share with you that today is the 20th of March, 2023, which can only mean one thing. It's the end of winter. Tomorrow, the 21st of March, is the spring solstice. It's the beginning of spring. And I think, particularly this year, I will be pondering the year ahead over the next couple of days for obvious reasons. Growth will come, the grass will grow again, the moss will seem less obvious, the weeds will start growing, the gardens will start growing, the trees will start growing, the spring blossom will come out soon, the daffs are on their way, the crocuses are just finishing. There's a whole load of action to come. But for today, on the 20th of March 2023, it's the last day of winter. Thankfully. Anyway, look, that's all for today. Very, very short. I will catch you again tomorrow with possibly something a bit more in depth to talk about. But for today, it's the end of winter. It's the 20th of March 2023. Spring comes tomorrow. Anyway, look, I'll catch you all soon. Take care. Ta-da, bye.